Hello everyone, my name is Sonja. Today we will talk about this machine gun. So let's begin. The PP-91 KEDR submachine gun was developed in the early 90s. The creator is Evgeny Dragunov, the same one who developed the SVD rifle. This Airsoft replica copies the modification of the PP-9101 submachine gun with an integrated silencer. What we see when opening the box. The kit includes a fridge magnet and the patch with the manufacturer's emblem. There are also certificates stating that this product is not a weapon. The instructions are made on glossy paper. So the KEDR itself. There is a marking on the body made in Russia. The bolt handle is fake, and if you move it, the gearbox is visible under the bolt curtain. The magazine is unlocked by pressing this button. The buttstock folds over the receiver. As you can see through the front side and rear side. On the right side of the body is the name of the submachine gun and the safety flag. The safety has only two positions, safe and automatic fire. There is a semi-fire marking, but the safety does not switch to this position. Under the butt attachment point there is a loop for attaching a belt. There is no place for attaching a belt in front. A collimator sight can only be installed if you install an additional rail on the silencer. The body is made of steel. Let's check the parts with a magnet. Steel buttstock, butt mount, receiver cover, plastic Picatinny rails, silencer body looks metal, but it's not magnetic. Steel bracket, plastic handle, the lower part of the handle is steel. Steel rear side, plastic front side. The bolt handle and curtain are magnetic. The magazine body is steel except for the upper part. To adjust the hop-up, remove the receiver cover. There is a hop-up adjustment screw next to the front side. It is clear that the hop-up chamber is milled. To connect the battery, you need to remove the cover on the silencer It is clear that a T connection is installed, but it is not easy to get it out. Let's install the battery. The battery in the CQB form factor is suitable. I only have an 11-volt battery, and it is a little larger. There is not enough space to close the cover. Let's check the functionality. Disassembled handle. The motor frame is missing. The motor is attached to the gearbox by the handle. In the handle cover there is a bolt for pressing the motor, 2 handle mounting bolts, 4 handle cover mounting bolts. Magazine. It is clear that several BB bolts are not pressed by spring. The magazine is designed for 70 BB bolts, but I was able to load 80. The magazine is held tightly and does not dangle. The magazine in comparison with the MP5 magazine. You can install a trace attachment on the KEDR. For this you will need an adapter for an 11 plus thread. Small trace attachments with a standard silencer do not look very nice. Trace attachment from Tokyo Marui looks better, but it would be nice to put an additional ring at the junction. The submachine gun can be carried on a single point belt. If the belt needs to be secured in 2 places, you will have to use a slim swivel with a Picatinny rail mount. KEDR weighs almost 2 kilograms. Let's try to measure the speed of the ball. When shooting BB balls weighing 0.2 grams, the speed of the balls is about 107 meters per second. Let's shoot a little. It is not very convenient to aim. You can shoot with one hand. Because of the large feed tube, Even with the magazine fastened, balls may remain in the weapon. As a result, KEDR turned out to be quite good. It has its drawbacks, but not critical. It is suitable as a spare weapon for snipers, grenade launchers, and operators of various vehicles. Bye.